So in this example, we're going to be looking at jury selection and asking, well, do juries actually represent the public? Because that's kind of the point of a trial by jury, to be tried by your peers. Important things to realize in this problem is, once again, we're looking to see, are they actually representing the public? And to test this, we're going to be comparing our data to census stuff. And so we have these percentages up here from the census, and we'll be comparing these percentages to what we have down here in our actual observations. Whenever we start a chi-squared test, goodness of fit, or test for independence, our first step will always be to calculate our expected values. And we're doing that because we need to make sure we have enough people to justify doing this chi-squared. So let's go ahead and put in our expected values column. Now, if we remember from the previous videos, we calculate our expected values by taking our sample size, or our total, and multiplying it by our expected percent. So when you look at this here, we know right off the bat that we have a total of 1,336 people. And based on my census data from up above, I know out of those 1,336 people, I would expect 6.1% of them to be between 18 and 19 years old, based on census. If juries are representing the public, I should see about that percent. So what I'm going to do to calculate my expected value for right here is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my expected percent, which is 0.061 in decimal form, and multiply it by my total sample size, which is 1,336. I'll then go ahead and repeat the process when I go down to the next one. That is, if I want to go ahead and calculate how many 20 to 24-year-olds I expect, I will take the percentage of 20 to 24-year-olds, 15, and multiply it by my total again. So 0.15 times 1,336. So notice each time I'm just taking my expected percent, the percent from the census, and multiplying it by my sample size. Once again, when we do this here, let's keep 2 decimal places as we run through it. Filling in the rest of the table then, once again taking each expected percent times the total sample size of 1,336, we should get the following numbers.